Hey there, fact fans! Welcome to Crazy Facts Daily, where we uncover the weirdest wonders of our world. Today, we're diving into a colorful adventure: animals with superpowers. Imagine creatures that can vanish in plain sight or light up like a disco ball, all by changing colors. Isn't that wild? These color changers aren't just cool, they're nature's magicians using their hues to hide, hunt, or even flirt. Stick around as we explore chameleons, octopuses, and more mind-blowing beasts. You won't believe how they do it. But first, let's meet the king of camouflage. Get ready for some eye-popping surprises that'll make you say, wow. What's your favorite animal? Tell us in the comments. Up next, the sneaky chameleon. Crunch asterisk of leaves in the African savanna. Enter the chameleon, the ultimate hide-and-seek champion. These quirky lizards don't just change color for show, oh no. Their skin is packed with tiny cells called chromatophores that expand or contract like mini balloons, creating a rainbow of disguises. Why? To blend with branches, scare off rivals, or even signal I'm feeling blue when stressed. Fun fact, a chameleon's eyes move independently so it can spot dinner while staying hidden. Talk about multitasking. But did you know some chameleons turn colors to communicate moods? Happy, bright green; angry, fiery red. These color wizards have been fooling predators for millions of years. Isn't nature sneaky? Hold on, because our next animal takes camouflage to oceanic levels. Prepare to be amazed. Back to our chameleon pals. Ever wondered if they dream in color? Well, their changes aren't just for looks, it's survival smarts. In the wild, a chameleon can shift hues in seconds to match its surroundings, making it invisible to birds of prey. Poof, gone, but here's a twist: they also change color for love. Males flash vibrant patterns to woo females like a natural light show. Weird fact. The panther chameleon boasts over 100 color variations across species. That's more outfits than your closet. And get this, their tongue shoots out faster than a sports car to snag bugs. Color plus speed, unbeatable. These little dynamos remind us how clever nature is. But wait till you see an animal that changes color underwater. It's like a living mood ring on steroids. Dive in next. Splash, we're plunging into the deep blue with the cuttlefish, cousins to squid and octopuses. These sea stars are color-changing pros, using specialized skin cells to mimic anything from sandy bottoms to striped sharks. Why? To hunt sneaky or dodge danger. Flash, they can even create moving patterns that hypnotize prey. Fun twist: cuttlefish change color while sleeping, possibly dreaming of their next disguise. Scientists think it's like our REM sleep, colorful visions under the sea. And here's the wow: they have 3 hearts and blue blood. Alien much? Their intelligence rivals dolphins. They solve puzzles for treats. Imagine a cuttlefish in a magician's hat. But don't stop swimming, our next creature is the escape artist of the oceans. You won't believe its tricks. Deeper into cuttlefish secrets? These boneless buddies can squeeze through tiny spaces, but their color show steals the spotlight. With up to 10 million color cells, they create illusions that fool the eye. Ever seen a cuttlefish wave to blend with waves? It's like living camouflage art. Weird fact, males use color pulses to battle rivals, turning battles into light shows. And they have a built-in camera in their brain to snapshot backgrounds for perfect matches. Smarter than your phone's filter. Nature's Photoshop, right? These oceanic artists teach us adaptation is key. But brace yourself, the octopus is about to ink up the competition with even wilder color feats. Get set for squishy surprises. Squelch, meet the octopus, the eight-armed wizard of the waves. No bones, just brains and beauty. Their skin changes color faster than you can say abracadabra, using pigment sacs that stretch like rubber bands. They mimic rocks, plants, even other animals to sneak up on snacks. Fun fact, the mimic octopus impersonates venomous sea snakes. Bold move: with 3 hearts pumping blue blood, they jet away if colors fail. And get this, they edit their own RNA to adapt super quick. DNA what? These geniuses escape aquariums like pros, color changing for survival, hunting, and hiding emotions. Octopuses feel and think deeply. Some even play with toys, but there's more: their eyes see polarized light we can't. Supervision plus super skin, unfair advantage. Next up, a shrimp that punches with color bursts. Octopus overload, these shy shapeshifters use color to court. 2 females flash soft pastels to attract mates, but males, they guard eggs with color shifts to blend and protect. Weird science. Octopuses have copper-based blood, giving that blue tint, and it helps them thrive in low oxygen depths. They can taste with their arms. Every sucker is a sensor. Imagine hugging your food. And in labs, they recognize faces and open jars like tiny engineers. Color isn't just skin deep, it's their superpower for smarts. From the reefs of Australia to your screen, octopuses wow us daily. But hold your breath, the peacock mantis shrimp brings rainbow punches to the party. This tiny terror's colors will dazzle you. Boom, enter the peacock mantis shrimp, the ocean's tiny boxer with a rainbow punch. Don't let the peacock name fool you, this 4-inch fierce is a color explosion. Its shell shimmers with iridescent hues from structural colors, not pigments, reflecting light like a disco ball. Why? To signal mates or warn foes? Back off! Fun fact, its punch is the fastest animal move, clubbing crabs at bullet speeds, creating cavitation bubbles hotter than the sun's surface. Kaboom, colors amp up during fights, flashing threats. Envision, they see 12 color channels, we have 3, ultraviolet polarized light, it's a living spectrometer. These shrimp burrow in style, changing shell tones with mood. Nature's fireworks, right? But the plot thickens with our next color champ, the squid squad. More mantis shrimp magic? These colorful crushers live in burrows lined with their shed shells, and females soften colors post-mating to nurture eggs. Weird fact, their clubs regenerate if broken, tough cookies. Scientists study their eyes for better cameras since they detect cancer cells by color shifts. From reefs to research, they're stars. Imagine a world in 12 colors, mind-bending. These shrimp show how color evolves for edge in survival. Punchy, pretty, and perceptive. But now let's jet to the squid, who light up the night with bioluminescent color shows. Deeper mysteries await, or should I say glow. Whoosh into the squid zone. These speedy swimmers change color with chromatophores and add glow with photophores, built-in lights. The Hawaiian bobtail squid even partners with bacteria for camouflage glow, vanishing against the moonlit sea. Sparkle, why? To hunt in dark depths or confuse predators. Fun fact, giant squid flash red to startle, but we rarely see it. Their eyes are huge, football-sized, spotting tiny plankton. Colors for communication, mating dances light up like underwater raves. And intelligence? They navigate oceans with color signals like team codes. The climax, some squid change texture too, bumpy or smooth with color. Ultimate illusionists, but is there one more twist? Our final fact bundle will wrap this colorful tale. Squid spotlight? In the inky black, they use color to court. Males display pulsing patterns to woo, while females respond in sync. Weird fact, the firefly squid lights up Japan's coasts yearly, turning seas into starfields, a natural fireworks show. Their ink clouds can change color too, confusing chasers. Evolution's gift. Squid have donut-shaped brains around their esophagus, think while eating. Colors help in massive schools, coordinating hunts like a flash mob. The peak surprise? Some deep-sea squid reflect light to look like fake prey, turning defense into deception. Masters of the midnight shift. These glowing geniuses cap our adventure, but one last recap will tie the rainbow together. You've seen the spectrum, now the grand finale. What a colorful journey! From chameleons' mood rings to octopuses' escapes, cuttlefish hypnosis, mantis shrimp punches, and squid glow parties, nature's color changers are pure magic. They teach us adaptation, smarts, and beauty in diversity. Next time you see a rainbow, think of these superheroes hiding in plain sight. Which fact blew your mind most? Drop it below and share with friends. Thanks for joining Crazy Facts Daily, your spot for weird wonders. Hit like if you learned something new, subscribe for more daily delights, and ring that bell. Tomorrow, even crazier secrets from the animal kingdom. Stay curious, stay colorful. See you soon. Cheers.